MNC, it's very difficult for me. I would never choose.
Okay.
And that's the reason I'm always with early stage startup, because the phase and the way we work is very different. So why to even put effort on getting adopted if you can get what you want? Simple. So that's another reason why I never applied for any big shot companies like Google and Facebook, which would have set my ground very differently. But because I enjoyed a lot learning in early stage startups and the power I get as a product owner, so I felt like I'll stick on to this. So it's not about capability, it's about priority. Most of the times. So I completely understand. I was just asking about that one for a reason that most of the MNC companies, they have a longer interview process. So if you're planning to get started, apply for all most of the good MNCs possible, and they take their own sweet time to get back to you, because there will be like lots of applications unless like any other startup. So one, you should be outstanding compared to other resumes they are receiving, and if that goes well, then maybe they also have a longer interview cycle. And it's not like once you shortlist, in most of the startups, if you get shortlisted, there's more than 50 to 80% chance you will get in. If something doesn't go really wrong in the interview, they just take you because they don't know you. So, but in MNCs, it's going to be a little different, because they will have a lot of people on every single milestone you are going through. Like even after the first round, second and third, there'll be a lot of other people who's giving the same round, and they'll comparing you to them. So there it becomes a relative evaluation. But in startups, they won't have a lot of applications to compare to. So that's where the difficulty goes high.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Suresh, yeah.
Then you start applying for more numbers. We have a hell lot of good companies from US who is hiring in India. So we can start applying in all their websites.